All right, this is how you open your single hung window. Move the latch to the unlock position, pull up to the desired height, and that's it. Walk away, it'll stay right exactly where it's supposed to be. Push it down, you'll feel it kind of seat into position, hit the lock, it's now closed and secured. I'm going to show you how to tilt your single hung window in for convenient cleaning. You're going to unlock it, open it about halfway, and you're going to take these two tabs here at the top, push them to the middle, and then pull towards yourself. And now you can easily clean the outside glass. And you can also get a vacuum in, clean up these brush seals if there's an excessive amount of dirt or dust in there. You can also remove the screen and clean the outside of the fixed pane as well. So that is how you disassemble a single hung window for cleaning. And to put it back together, just push up, clicks into place, and the window is ready to go.